Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I have a special amazing social media app that I would like to share with you that actually pays you for all of your posts and engagements. So if you like what you're hearing and are excited as I am today, please don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell to help me grow this channel for that YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, I don't think any of us these days are strangers to social media because I totally believe that we are its platform that entertains when they allow us inside their platform to communicate, most importantly, with free will. Yes, with free will. Because whenever something like that is free online, there is a rule. If you're not paying for it directly, you are the currency, as you are already aware of. These friendly looking social media apps that you use are actually multi-million-dollar corporates who takes all the benefits out of ad revenue and the data they collect consistently from its users. And as much as I don't want to say it, I am also the victim of it that does not get anything in exchange for the time I spent on some of these apps that I have an account with. Sure, you may get emotional gratifications and happiness by looking through the posts of your friends, but you won't earn anything that the company is earning off of you. Lucky for us these days that there is actually a company out there who cares for our time that we use. I strongly believe in their philosophy that you should earn for the revenue that you are generating for the company. They used to be called SUE, short name for tsunami, but now they are called as Display. They have been around more than 8 years and has an investing of more than $8 million to keep their social media app progressing. Yes, that's the capital they have behind it. That's how much it has, 8 million. It is a social media app that are very similar to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter's, all in one, where they share their ad revenue with their users. And it doesn't matter whether you have 1 follower or 1 million followers, you will be getting the ad revenue generated out of the app. So now in order to join in, you have to either be invited or through a referral in order to create an account. So you can either create an account through my referrals down the description below of this video, or somebody else who invites you if you have not already done so. Now, this social media display app should be available to download on your iOS, Apple mobile phone, and your Android. So go ahead and download the app, create your account, verify your email, and log back in and go to your dashboard. So since I'm already logged in, since I'm already have an account, my apology there, I'm just gonna go ahead and log right in. This is my front dashboard profile, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick about this app. I just joined this, app not too long ago, and this is what I have in my account so far. And the reason why I chose this app for you guys is because you're going to be on Facebook or social media anyway, or if you're using Twitters or whatnot, or LinkedIn, or whatever social media platform you are using, you might as well get paid for all your posts and engagement. And this has a longevity. That's what I like about this app, because you're using it anyway, so you might as well earn, even though if it's just a little. I mean, it's gonna increase sooner or later down the road. But while you are on this app and you still have your account and you're posting and all this engagement that you are doing on your daily activities, you might as well earn something from it. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick, but let's go ahead and jump right back into its tutorial, the main reason for this video that I'm creating. So now this is where you really need to pay attention and don't skip any details shown on this video. Since I already have an account with Display and I'm already logged in, so the way it works is for every 3 posts on your timeline or anywhere you browse, there will be an ad shown, and Display keeps 50% of the ad revenue and the remaining 50% is shared with the 3 preceding posts. Sounds pretty simple, isn't it? So say basically like this, I got 3 likes on this, okay? So for every time someone clicks a like or supports your post, you're gonna get some kind of credits for it. So say right here, we're gonna click this 3 dots real quick and see what it says. Oh, we're not gonna do that, sorry. But if we scroll down, so you can see this ads right here. So for every time someone, clicks on one of your posts, you're gonna see an ad like this, okay? That's because it is like the more you post and the more engaging your post is, the higher will be your chance of earning more. And similar to YouTube or Snapchat, there's that option to directly support the creator with a very interesting way. So yes, there's the options to directly support that creator with a very interesting way. When you click on the support me S button, for example, I'm going to show you real quick. Let's go to my news feed. So like this, these are all the posts that I have. So let's go home real quick. Now, for instance, this is basically your timeline or your news feed. So look at all this, okay? So when you hit that S, see that S button right here, support, an ad on your screen will be shown on your, yes, an ad on your screen will be shown again and again. 50% of that revenue directly goes to the creator of that post, and the other remaining 50% belong to display. So this way you don't have to pay out anything from your own pockets, and the creator will still get some incentive. So for instance, let's go ahead and click on that. See, an ad will pop up, just like I said, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and X out of that one though. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Okay, the menus, now the app does have a little bit of an issues. It's a little buggy at the moment and unoptimized on Android. The menus don't really load up as fast as they should, but then again, it depends what locations you are in and how strong of a signal your internet is and your Wi-Fi. But hey, Instagram is not winning any prizes for the seamless app design anyways. There are tons of jarring bugs in the app, and billions of people still use it regardless, yes, of what, it may bring. So I'm not blaming a smaller company for making an app that looks very similar, but has a few little issues right now. And Display even have an option called Communities, which is very similar to Quora and Reddit. So if you were to look, let's say, right, some of the community they have in here. I mean, you got the home button on the left, right? And the search, where you can search for different things. Like say you want to search for a group like you do on Facebook, and you want to add them on your link. And then you got your messages and then your home button. Okay. So Display even have an option called Communities, which is very similar to Quora and Reddit for like-minded people like me and you, when we join one of the community to share posts that we are passionate about. So let's go ahead and go to my stuff right here. And let's see, let's go to the 3 bars. Okay, there's the Communities better right there. Communities better. So you can do anything, guys. If you press on that, you have all these communities right here that you can join in. Okay, it is a very great way of growing your own community. Everyone knows it's busy holding data from you while showing you annoying ads and not giving you a single dime for it. I really think that Display really deserves your attention. It's perhaps one of the most honest, free communities out there, not giving anyone who creates an account with them any catches. When you will be compensated for your posts and the time that you spend here. So I'll leave a link in the descriptions down below, and you sign up and check it out for yourself. I really hope this video gave you tremendously some help. and gave you some really nice tips on what social media platform that you should be using that will actually pay you for all of your engagement, instead of wasting your time in one that does not give a damn about all the data they collect from you and not getting compensated for it, and your time spent on their platforms. I really care for you guys, and I want you all to make some money. You know, you're gonna be on social media all day anyway. For some of you, you know, you might as well earn some money. So, and this has a longevity income. So the more you use it, the more you post, and the, you know, the longer that you're on this platform, the more you're gonna make down, you know, long down the road. So for now, wish you all a great, beautiful day. Until then, if you would like to see more useful tips, free video tutorials like this, please don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for that YouTube algorithms, and I will see you guys again next time.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to